Good afternoon, Washington State Picker here. Today is package day. I got a package that I've been eagerly awaiting from Bronx Lock Picker 60. And I can't wait to get inside of this thing and see what the heck's going on. I don't know what all is in here, but I'm sure it's great coming from that guy. He's quite a stand-up guy and quite a testament to this lock sport community that we have. Anyway, without further ado, I am going to get this open and then bring it back into camera view. I think he covered every square inch of this damn thing with tape, because I forgot to tape, or ran out of tape, and I sent his. So he's trying to teach me a lesson, I believe. Kudos. Well, I'll do it this way here. Yeah, literally every square inch is... Yeah, shoot, here we go. Suppose if I sharpen my knife once in a while, part of the tape's off of there. There we go. Shoot, he's got like layers of it. Haha, very funny. Very funny, Bronx Lock Picker 60. Yeah, he's got it going on here, I'll tell you. I'm sweating just getting this tape off. Okay. Doesn't trust the USPS, I suppose. I guess that's smart. None of us really should. So, it'll take longer than I anticipated to open. Son of a gun. I'm having to cut the flap off through layers and layers of tape. Get the flap open. My goodness. Here we go. Damaging anything inside. Okay, so all right, here we go. I love signs. I didn't know he knew that, but we got no checks, employees only, no pets, shirts or shoes required. All right, I like that. We got a wrap thing here. I'm going to see what that is. At least it's not as taped up as the box was. Thank goodness. Oh wow, what is this? Oh, holy cannoli! I've been looking at these too. Look at this. Let me get this tape off of here. Oh, this is better than Christmas time, I'll tell you. Alright, I've been looking at these online. In fact, my screensaver is one of these at work, my work screensaver. Thank you so much, Bronx Lock Picker 60. Look at this here. Nice! You know, I said on Facebook today, I don't need more than one of these. But you know, I think I do. For instance, last night when I made that picking video and I failed and I didn't gut the thing because I didn't have my pinning tray was full of another lock I was working on. Then we got here YouTube, okay. Challenge lock from somebody. He must have picked on YouTube 518. This looks like Wow. Boy, oh boy, I'm gonna have some fun. Got quite a few locks here. Another one by Jeffrey Post. Jeffrey Post, you are being tagged, and he picked it on YouTube, 5/16/18. And as you all know, I'm not much of a picker, so it might take me 2 years. Also got a bag of tags. Thank you so much. I was going to order some of these because I didn't know that my locks had to have tags on them. This is going to make it really nice. Thank you so much. Awesome stuff. Another lock. Try to get these back in their original bags, so if I send them out again, they can go with the labeled bags. He's got the bags labeled here. Can you read that? Park Avenue? I can't read it. Pinned by, oh, he pinned it. Bronx Lock Picker 60. The name is Park Avenue. Nice. He pinned it 6/12/18. Looks like a sludge. Looks like beautiful action. Here's another one. God, this is exciting. I have too many locks now. It'll take me forever to pick them, so if anybody's watching this video and they want these locks, it's going to be a while. What does this one say? 4 challenge lock. And on the bag, it just says 4 challenge lock. Okay, so this is a lock that he told me he was going to be giving me some Euro cylinders so that I could make challenge locks out of them. Thank you so much, Bronx Lock Picker 60. All right. Oh, holy cannoli. Got a bag of goodies. God, there's even a lot more coming. And these, he told me, are for disassembling for disassembling Euro style locks. So I've got a bag of goodies right here. Man, I don't have much space. I need a bigger table, I think. Thank you so much. And we have more. He really loaded me up. Oh wow, look at this. C-clips, in case I lose or break one. I haven't yet, but that's probably going to happen. Thank you so much. Got a baggie. Full of stuff here. I can't tell what it is. And I'm trying not to. Oh, goodness. He even had the baggie taped. So this, the baggie full of stuff. Holy cannoli. I'm assuming these are, oh, these are pins. These are a bag of replacement pins. Thank you so much, Bronx Lock Picker 60. They're even labeled. Probably can't see it on camera. Awesome. I just won a pinning kit, large, very large pinning kit on eBay today. I paid way too much in shipping, $35. I feel like an idiot. Look at all these, holy cannoli, look at all these pins. Wow. I don't think I'll have to buy more pins for 100 years. Thank you so much. Then we have here, I don't even know what these are. Ooh, I know what these are. Definitely know what these are. These are some Peterson picks. Wow. Thank you so much. There's, it's like 3 of them in there. Beautiful. I think it's a medium, a deep, and a shallow hook. Wow, I really need to get building my display here for my picks this weekend. I'm going to make it out of, I think I'm going to make it out of Corian. And then I have, looks like a spring extractor. I used to have a set of these I got from the hardware store, Harbor Freight, years and years ago. And I never had any use for them. I threw them away. Well, I wish I would have kept them now. Little picks are great for springs. And here's another lock. Holy cannoli. This is easy number 3. And it says, pinned by Bronx Lock Picker 60. Once again, I'm sure everything's flawless in here. Yep. Nice. And last but not least, some hacksaw blades. You know, I bought a couple, and the teeth were too far apart. Can you see these? These will work a lot better. A lot better. Thank you so much, Bronx Lock Picker 60. Now I have to pick up this mess. And wow, I am just overwhelmed with really with gratitude. I mean, fancy stuff here. You know, anyway, thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video, and I'm sure you're already following and subscribe to Bronx Lock Picker 60. But if you're not, please do so. Great guy. Peace. Be kind to one another.